Welcome back. In this lab, we'll be configuring the local as well as global virtual network pairing. So coming to the previous lab, we have implemented these two. Initially, we have created the resource group. Then in the resource group, using the templates, we have created this whole architecture where inside this VNet, we have this particular VM, and in this virtual network, we have VM1 in this VM. So accordingly, we have created it, and one is related to East US and one is related to Central US, because we have selected these two because these were compatible, which we searched using few commands in the previous lab. So based on that, we have selected these two regions. Let's see. So if we go to the resource group, and this is a resource group that has been created in the first lab. If you go here, we have different services which are running here. So if I go back here, if you check the virtual networks, 2 belongs to East US, 1 belongs to Central US. So according to this, these 2 belongs to East US, which is East US, and this is belongs to Central US. So now we have identified that, and now we have to include the peering. For that, we have to go to the virtual network and do the according operations for that. So initially we'll be using these two. So we'll be creating the local peering, and then we'll try to connect with the global peering for the other region. So if you minimize this, let's go to the first one. So you can see these two are in the same region. So for this, we have to implement the local peering according to these docs. So you can see we have East US for these two. So for this VM and this particular network, we have to implement this connection. This connection is known as local peering. Let's go. Yeah, just got a call. So coming to the local network peering, let's go to the first one, which is VNet 0, and here let's go to the peering under settings. Yeah, there you go. So under peering, right now there is nothing here. So let's add. So let's click the add button, and coming to the peering link name, let me add that name. So if I go back here, so you can see 0 to 1. So we are using this connection because we are connecting from 0 to 1. That is the reason the name is given such. So select it from the docs, and then coming to the traffic to the remote virtual network, which is allowed default, and traffic forwarded from the remote network, which will block the traffic that originates from the outside this virtual network. So select this, and the next one would be virtual network route, which is done by default, so just leave it. And coming to the remote virtual network, the other one, so right now we are into 0, right? So now we have to add for 1, so which means yeah, so let me add that name. So it's peering link, and the resource manager, right? So coming to, I know my resource ID, just unselect it, so don't need. Subscription is 1. The virtual network, okay, right now I can't see why. No virtual networks in the subscription. Okay, create both peering. Okay, well, yeah, so there is a command for that. Let me add that command in the PowerShell. So I think we have PowerShell running here. So I hope this should solve the situation. So we have not got any error. So okay, so let me go back here and let me go back to the virtual network 0 and let's go to the peering where it is. Yeah, so yeah, it has been created. Well, that's good. So yeah, so according to the note it says that yeah, usually there will be an issue, so we have to use that cloud shell command. So let me go back and do the same for other one. So we have completed with the 0, that is the virtual network 0. We have added this peering, and now let's go back to the second one. Use that command. So if I go back here, so I'm just checking whether I'm in right path. So it's 0. So we have established that connection. So now we have to connect from 0 to 2, which is so we have established this connection. Now we have to connect with this one and next with this one. So however, since will be getting error for sure, so let me add that command, which, so where is it? Okay, oh shit. Okay, it has not run properly, or let me check the command. And ID. Okay, I forgot to add this. This for VNet 0 and this for VNet 1. So vice versa. So VNet 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So even this is done. So if I go back here, shit, it got stuck. Okay, so if I go back here, so under VNet 1, we can see there is peering for VNet 0 to 1. Let's check the other one, which is 1, and peering, there you go. So it has been connected, and they are connected vice versa. So now we are done with this local. So previously I was about to go to this location and I was about to add it. So since it was error, we use that cloud shell command, which I've just forgot to add the last one. So let me go back, and now we should deal with the global. For that, let's go to the VM0. So this should be connected to 2, this should be connected to 2. So VM0 to VM2, VNet 0 to VNet 2, VNet 1 to VNet 2. So let's go to the VNet 0. So similarly, I'll just show you the options where it is peering. So the local is done. Let's add the global one. For that, let me, however we'll be getting error, but let me show you the commands according to the docs. So initially the virtual network peering name will be, so 0 to 2, 0 to 1. So initially it's 0 to 1. So if I copy that, paste here, so this is the name of that, it's already there. It's 0 to 1. Oh shit, okay, yeah, this is the local peering. So yeah, it's we need to 0 to 2. So let's change that to 2. Yes, it's not there, and initially it's allow, and this will be the block. So everything is a default. After that, coming to the remote, let me copy that name, let me paste here, resource group, I don't know, and coming to here is the same that we have done. So here we need, and here we have to select the we need to, which is from the other resource. So yeah, you just need to click this block and just add it. However, I'll be getting error because there is no virtual network here. So back to the track where we use the Cloud Shell. So let me copy that and let me paste that. So 0 to 2, and then from 2 to 0. So it's done. The other one is 2 to 0. Click enter. So it's done too. Now the second task, the other one would be from 1 to 2. So once this is done, we'll be using the other command. So let's wait for this to be done. So done, it has been completed, and now the next one would be from 1 to 2. So let me copy that too, and meanwhile let me add that from 1 to 2. And if I go back here in the resource group, let's go to the VM2. Let's see if that is created or not. You can see 2 to 0 has been created, and then we'll be getting another one which is 2 to 1. So if I go back here, one command is done. Let's click the other one. So to push 2 to 1. So basically this is the final command where to configure the local as well as global network peering. So it is done. We have successfully completed the task 2. So it's done. You can just go ahead and it's just trying to connect. Just click refresh. There you go. Now you can see we have 2 to 0, 2 to 1, and if you go back to 1, okay, 0 peering, you can see we have 0 to 1, which is the local one, and the other one is 0 to 2, which is the global one. Similarly, you can verify with the other one, which is virtual network 1. Go to the peering section, and you can say 1 to 0 we have the connection, and similarly 1 to 2 we have the connection. So if you check this architecture, we have successfully created it. So we have successfully implemented this connection using local peering and the global connection using the global peering. So it's done. So good to go. So I hope you guys have understood the concept here. So if you like the video, please click the like button below, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section so that even I'll try to answer them. Yeah, please share the video too. Thank you.